This video will teach you how to fix Nightbot if it isn't responding to commands or showing up in your chat. Start by heading to the Nightbot website. You may need to log in with your streaming account. If this is your first time setting up Nightbot, then you will need to click the Join Channel button. If Nightbot is already in your channel, then choose to Part. Add Nightbot back. Select your profile image in the top right. Click your channel name. Head to your Twitch chat. Unmod Nightbot using the command /unmod Nightbot. Send the message. Mod Nightbot once more using /mod Nightbot. Nightbot should now be in your chat and respond to commands.